Hi, I'm Sieng.
Hi, I'm Pui Yee.
Hi, I'm Biona.
Okay, so today we are going to introduce about the mass airflow sensor.
Hi, what is airflow sensor? Mass airflow sensor is a sensor used to determine the mass flow rate of entering a fuel in the internal combustion engine. The air mass information is necessary for engine control unit to balance and deliver the correct fuel mass to the engine. So, the air changes its density with the temperature and the pressure. In outdoor mode application, the air density varies with the temperature, altitude, and the use of force inductions, which means that the mass airflow are more favorable than the volume flow sensor to determine the quantity of intaken air in each cylinder. So what is the causes? The repairment cost of the mass flow airflow sensor can be anywhere from 220 ringgit to 470 ringgit. The part costs should be between 190 ringgit to 400 ringgit, while the labor costs will be anywhere from 30 ringgit to 70 ringgit. The true costs will determine on the map and the model of your device. Thank you.
So, what is the principle of the mass airflow sensor? So, the engine has an intake tube where the outside air will enter through. Before the air can reach the engine, it must go through an air filter first. That way, all the impurities in the air will not get inside the engine and cause problem there. Once the air volume successfully make it through the air filter and then built inside the engine, the mass airflow sensors measure the amount of the air volume. It then sends a report to the engine control unit. Based on the amount of the air that built inside the engine, the control unit will know how much fuel to place the internal combustion chamber. This ensures that an even mixture of fuel and air is there. There is wide variety of symptoms that will occur if your mass airflow sensor goes bad. If there are problems with the sensor, the engine control unit will receive incorrect information about the volume of the air in the engine. It may tell the fuel injector to allow more fuel to flow into the engine if necessary. If there is too much fuel in the combustion chamber, then it will cause a lot of burning to take place. This will result in black smoke coming out of the exhaust. If this kind of activity continues, you will experience symptoms which will limit the performance of the engine. These symptoms include acceleration hesitation, engine idling, misfires, poor fuel economy and loss of power. At this point, driving your vehicles is totally dangerous. Therefore, your best move would be to take your vehicles to a qualified mechanic and have them replace the mass flow sensor.
Okay, so we designed our own sensor electronic board. So I will introduce some of the electronics component that we use. So first one is this one, the mass airflow sensor. And then the Arduino Uno board, and also the jumper, and a 12-volt battery, and this is 2k ohm resistor, so total here will be 7k ohm, and this one is 5k ohm resistor. and also the breadboard. Okay, so the way that we design the Arduino board is we connect the electronic component here. Okay, connect to 12-volt battery, support this mass airflow sensor, and then we use the voltage divider to make it into 5-volt, and only we connect to the Arduino board. So this the computer will display the maximum result of 5-volt until the minimum result of 0-volt. Thank you. Now this is the sensor with room temperature and no wind speed. It's around 0.92 voltage. Okay, so now we are testing in front of the car aircon. So now it's in constant 1.20 and the temperature is 18 with one wind speed. So now we increase the wind speed to 3. Okay, so we can see that when the wind speed is increased, it increased to 1.21. Cool. So now, okay, it's 1.22 because the temperature is increasing slowly. So now we set the temperature to 22. Okay, we can see that the data had become 1.23. Now, should we try with the wind of 4? Okay, so now it increased to 1.24. And okay, now turns to 1.25. Okay, now it increased to 5 wind speed. Wow, it turns 1.26. So now we change the temperature to 26 degrees Celsius. Let's see what's the result of it. Okay, it turns to 1.27 volt. Okay, it is 26 degrees Celsius. So let's turn to the maximum car temperature of the aircon, which is 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, maybe the airflow sensor couldn't detect this. So let's turn the wind speed to 1 wind speed. With the temperature of 18. Okay, we can see when we turn to the wind speed of 1, it decreased to 1.26. And the temperature now is 18 degrees Celsius with 1 wind speed. Okay, the aircon takes time to drop. Okay, so we can see that it drops to 1.22 because the temperature is dropped.